officer. I want to let you know I have a gun.
Okay, can you show me both of your hands then?
Yes, sir.
Okay, perfect.
I just
Thank
want
you.
to let you know.
Okay, yeah, I appreciate it. Okay. Can you
It
stop
is-
reaching
it
for
is-
it? Whoa, dude!
Sorry.
Dude, drop the gun!
I'm sorry.
What are you doing?
No,
Get out of the car!
I wanted to hand it to you.
Get out of the car now! Put your hands on top of the roof!
I'm sorry.
Hands on the hood!
I just wanted to hand it to you, sir.
India 61 flagger. 1069 code too. No,
Totally
signal
sorry,
zero.
sir. I just
Keep your
wanted
hands
to
on the
hand
hood.
it to you. Yes, sir. I'm sorry. I just wanted to hand it to you, sir. It is loaded. I just want to let you know when you.
It's loaded?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
When
can
you
you
grab
secure
it
him?
out- When you grab it out, it is loaded.
Put your hands on top of your head.
Totally sorry, sir. I did not just
fine,
put
but-
it on that, sir. Totally sorry, sir.
Just walking back there for me. Do you have a concealed weapons permit?
No, sir. It was in the front seat.
I understand where it was because you picked it up and pointed it at me.
Yes, sir.
Remember that part?
Yes, sir.
You're lucky I didn't shoot you.
I know, but I didn't. I'm sorry. Sir, I told you before I got to the car. You got to the car.
It doesn't matter.
No,
You
I
picked
know-
up a
I
gun
know-
and
I know.
pointed it at me. I don't
I
think
know.
you grasped the situation.
I do, sir, and I'm sorry because I went about it the wrong way. I wanted to hand it to you.
Stay there. Is there anything else in the car that I need to know about?
Sir. No, sir. I just wanted to hand it to you. I know. It's totally wrong. You guys are in such a bad situation. Some people just come into the car. I said, hey, I got a gun in the car. I know, sir. By the way, I read about it. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter the way it was. We should have said.
Around the chamber.
So, did I say that when I happened before? That they've asked me, and I always try to say, hey, I have a car, sir. And so they've always, I've told them that I have it in the car.
India 61 flagger.
I don't want you guys.